Good morning from Boat Düsseldorf 2024. My name's Nick from Yacht Partners International, the official Greenline dealers for Greece and the Netherlands. I wanted to take a bit of time today to show you through the 48 flybridge model which we have here on the stand for those of you who couldn't come and join us. Let's go. So starting on the back here, we have a big hydraulic lifting platform with two options, either 300 kilos or 500 kilos. Optional pop-up chocks to be built into the platform, great for tenders, jet skis, etc. And also on the starboard corner, we have access for a swimming ladder. So moving on from the swimming platform, we come up here, and the first thing you'll notice, because we have the hatch open, we either have access to a skipper's cabin or to a big storage unit. Both very handy depending on where in the world you're going to be using the boat. Moving on from there, we have the kitchen area, and actually this is a key Greenline feature. Whether we're on the 39, our smallest model, or all the way up to the 58, our biggest model, we have this big drop open or drop down window which creates access to the kitchen. It also is great to combine both interior and exterior, so whether you're entertaining guests out here or in there, you're always part of the action. I'm standing on top of the engine room, for those of you wondering where the access is. So at Greenline, again, key feature, whether we're talking about the smallest model to the biggest model, and of course this model, we have three different propulsion options. So we have hybrid, electric or diesel drives. In diesel and hybrid, we also have many different engine sizes available. Moving on to the inside, a big, large kitchen area, which again is great for entertaining. We have our induction hob, we have a big full-size fridge, we have microwave, oven, all of those options available. Moving even further on, we have a big storage unit under the floor here. So we're just going to take a quick look. Most owners use this area to have a lot of supplies on board. It's great also to put a washing machine or a dryer. Great area. As you can see here, we have a really nice sofa. Big windows all around, really homely, really comfy. And for those of you, Netflix, we have the big pop-up TV on the starboard side here. Coming even further forward, we have the helm station. And the helm station, like any feature on any Greenline, we have a really big access window, big door, so that easy in and out. We have a really comfortable bench here, which we can use with the two functions. All of the navigation possibilities which you would expect on a boat like this. So on this particular boat here, we have a 3-cabin layout, master cabin all the way in the front, and then 2 twin cabins. One of the twin cabins has access to the ensuite. So now on the flybridge here on the 48, and as you can see, it's a very generously sized flybridge, especially for this size of yacht. And first thing that you notice is a really good arrangement to enjoy this top deck with your friends. So whether you're driving or whether you're sitting here entertaining, you're always part of the action. And if we move this like that, now another 2 or 3 people can join you facing forward. Great feature. One of the other things Greenline has thought about really well is when you're driving on the flybridge, of course, view and what you can see is the most important. Now they've built the access stairs on the same side as the steering console, which means that actually standing here while maneuvering backwards, I can see the corner of the swim platform, which is going to let me see the distance. Fantastic space. So now coming down the stairs, we're going to go down, and the first thing you'll notice is a very high bulwark all the way forward, very safe. So even if you're at sea, and even for the kids, it's very safe. It feels very, very ship-like. If you look at this, very wide, just a lot of room. Now, moving on to the bow area. There's a few key features which are very important, and you'll see the amount of room, how generous Greenline's been to work with anchors or ground lines. The anchor locker is so deep, it's fantastic. So easy room for 150 meters if you're going to more of the deeper Mediterranean countries, but all round good access. You'll also see the sun lounging area here, which again I think has been very well developed. We have it in two separate areas, so you can access and put this up to face forward. You can also fold it down, and in the summer months we even have a bimini for the area here. So another key feature when buying a Greenline yacht is the standard solar. So not only solar panels, but large inverter and lithium batteries. When I was talking earlier in the kitchen about the possibility of having induction, microwaves, ovens, it's because we never have any power problems on the Greenlines. Everything comes standard as 220, and that's thanks to having solar. Now, one last thing I want to talk to you about is the option on the Flybridge models of having either bimini options or hardtop. As soon as you take the hardtop option, you obviously get a lot more solar included as well. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to have a look through this wonderful boat. And for any other questions, don't forget Yacht Partners International for Greece and the Netherlands. All contact information will be displayed below.